I mean, our job is fun. That's why we all became hairdressers. We wanted to come to work looking good, feeling good, playing.
We could have a rule, either look professional or like a rock star here at the salon.
But it's fun working here. It's a good bunch of people. It's fun. Everybody gets along great. It's like one big family here.
When I first met Rich, it was during my interview, and he was wearing a kilt.
Yeah, my first day was, I walked in and all 12 chairs were busy and it was chaos.
Yeah, I was fresh out of school and everyone here is like so talented and so confident, and I was really nervous.
Everybody was really supportive and helpful. Everyone encourages you to ask questions.
Learning and bumping ideas off each other, I think, is how we all grow the most too.
Having that relationship where you can bounce the ideas of each other, it just actually makes the atmosphere more creative for our team.
There's so much growth that can happen in your craft. It's a very supportive environment as far as like education, and if you're having a hard time with anything.
Everyone's willingness to like really help you and teach you what they know. That definitely was like a big icebreaker.
Knowing that we're all here to work together, I think, is the biggest thing. We work as a team, so you kind of get things from everybody.
I love my job. Like, the atmosphere in here is just great. Everybody here is always smiling, laughing.
Everyone wants to see you succeed, and Rich really does a really good job of like helping you build your business and breaking it down for you and making it like make sense.
As the business owner, I really feel like one of our top priorities is to keep a happy team and happy stylists. You know, the whole salon is designed to be a hairdresser's playpen. You know, we have a color bar, we have a lather lounge, and that lather lounge has probably 25 different conditioning treatments, glazes, glosses. The whole place is designed essentially to be everything a hairstylist could need.
The color bar is fully stocked all the time. There's always everything that you need. We always get to have like the newest, latest, greatest stuff.
I feel like I'm at home. I feel like I'm hanging out with my family in my house.
Probably the best job I've ever had.
I wouldn't want to be anywhere else.